This is a difficult part of the evening. This is the part of the evening where we take a moment because this has been a year of rupture. It's been challenging for so many Canadians. And there has also been sadness on a personal level, a sadness that we all share. There are friends and colleagues whose absence is noted here tonight. Friends and colleagues who, on their journey, may have lent us a helping hand to a bunch of us here in the room. Friends and colleagues who maybe taught us lessons that we now get the privilege of sharing with others. And friends and colleagues who are gone too soon. So tonight, we remember them.